How to download YouTube Shorts to Gallery without any website, official way. Welcome to How to Mastery, your trusted source for safe and simple tech tutorials. In today's video, I'll show you how to download YouTube Shorts directly to your phone gallery without using any third-party websites or risky tools. Let's get started. YouTube does not allow saving shorts directly to the gallery through the official app, but there's a safe legal way to save shorts offline and watch them anytime using the YouTube app. Let's see how. Step 1. Open the YouTube app. Make sure you're signed in to your Google account. Step 2. Find the YouTube short you want. Scroll through Shorts or search for the video you want to save. Step 3. Tap the download. Below the short, you'll see a download icon. Tap it. If you don't see the option, make sure the creator has allowed downloads. Once downloaded, it will be saved offline inside the YouTube app under the Library Download section. Step 4. Watch offline, without internet. Even without internet, just open the YouTube app, tap Library, Downloads, and enjoy your saved shorts. This is 100% safe, legal, and doesn't require any risky websites or apps. Want it in your phone gallery? YouTube officially doesn't allow direct saving to gallery for copyright protection. But if the short is your own video or you have permission, here's how you can get it. Bonus tip: download your own shorts to gallery. 1. Open the YouTube Studio app. 2. Tap on Content, find your short. 3. Tap the three dots, Download. This will save the video directly to your phone's gallery. Quick recap. Use the download button in the YouTube app for offline viewing. Find Downloads Library, Downloads. To save to your gallery, download your own shorts from the YouTube Studio app. And that's how you safely save YouTube Shorts without using third-party sites or breaking any rules. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, comment your questions below, and subscribe to How to Mastery for more YouTube and mobile tricks. Thanks for watching.